Welcome to the Car Compass, how to reset your oil life in a 2026 Honda HRV. This also works for 2025, 24, and 23. So on the new body style from 23 and up. So you're going to turn the ignition on by pressing the start button twice. Ignition is on. You're going to clear all the messages right here. And then you scroll down with this scroll bar all the way to maintenance. Once you get to maintenance, you click on the wheel, and then here you're gonna have your oil life. And then what you have to do is just keep it pushed for a few seconds. It's gonna take a few seconds, maybe 10 seconds, and it's gonna ask you to reset your maintenance in just a bit. Right here, maintenance reset, and then you scroll if you want to do all new items or just item A only, or whatever you think it's needed. This is how you reset your oil light in Honda HRV. Thank you for watching.